So glad you're with us here at 7:30. Thanks for waking up with us. I'm John Paul. This morning, families still recovering days after flash flooding caused a number of problems in southeast Shelby County. While efforts to clean up continue this morning, city and county leaders are working overtime to get disaster relief assistance. Local 24 News reporter Jaylen Socek is live for us, working the story in Germantown where the flooding hit the hardest. She's live this morning with the next steps for the homeowners there who are still cleaning up. Jaylen.
Yeah, that's right, John. A week and a half later, people still have a long ways to go in this recovery process. This morning, we're live here on Pier Point Cove. This is one of those badly impacted areas here in Germantown. And still this morning, you can see on this lawn here, we still have personal belongings spread across it from after the home was inundated with water. We have just Tupperware, personal home items like dishes. Every driveway here has large trash bins kind of from gutted drywall. But today, city and county leaders are going through the steps to try and get people like this help. Shelby County commissioners are meeting this afternoon to consider an emergency declaration to pass. Last week, Germantown city leaders passed a similar disaster declaration to appeal to the county to do the same. Homes have been gutted after floodwaters overtook them. Some of these homes up to a foot of water inside there. The city manager said it's expected that 200 homes were affected. And after passing at the city level, the county's declaration takes it to the next step. This is to appeal to Governor Bill Lee. They're asking the governor to request emergency federal assistance from President Trump's administration. While the federal formal process can be slow, at the local level, Germantown did take $250,000 from the city's emergency funds for those in need of immediate help.
The efforts that the city are making to try to at least alleviate some of the pain of our neighbors that are suffering out there, that was a good step by them. Obviously, it's not going to make them whole, but hopefully we can help.
And the Germantown fire chief said oftentimes it is hard to get this type of assistance and chances are slim, but they really do think that they have a good shot at getting this because the majority of this flooding wasn't in a flood zone. So the homeowners, they didn't have flood insurance to protect themselves. Reporting live in Germantown, Jaylen Socek, Local 24 News.